again, we're at a port and I'm going to get on a boat. And I hate boats. There's giant holes in the water where you throw money into. And I get seasick really easily. If I'm sitting on the toilet too long, I get seasick. But we're here for a very good reason, and that reason is we're going to the Isle of Capri. And that's somewhere we have wanted to go for a super duper long time. So we're heading in from Naples. We caught the train down here this morning to Municipio station from the central station. These are all the ticket offices here. So if you get off the train, you just sort of head to the right hand side and head down further past that big castle, and the ticket station is just in front of that, and it's super easy to buy tickets. How much are tickets, baby?
So on the way there it's 24 euros, and nice. On the way back it's 21 euros.
Oh, cool. So yeah, very, very well priced. I hope I don't get seasick on the journey, but it's only 35 minutes, so I think I should be okay. It's a pretty slick operation, and I think it's going to be quite a fun day. And there's a massive ship over there. That's the Wonders of the Seas. I think that's the biggest ship in the world. Finally moving. We're a little bit late. About 12 minutes behind schedule at the moment. But there's our boat.
Going to Capri.
I lined us up at the wrong dock. I said D instead of B. It was his Italian. I said, hey, Lana D. No, Lana B. Close. It's easy to confuse them.
Come on, we're doing that.
What?
We'll talk to you guys soon. We've got to get on the boat.
Yeah, we're going to get on the boat.
We'll be late. Gotta make a boat.
Bags. Oh yeah.
Wow, they're going to cover up the whole area. I am so excited. Right, do you reckon upstairs?
Right, baby. Let's go upstairs. Again.
Oh, I was on a bus again.
Hey, don't worry about that.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't get bus sick.
Well, this was the best way.
True.
So we'll have to just deal with it.
Yeah,
we'll be right.
We're right. We're there. I think it's 35 minutes, isn't it?
I don't know. I think it's a bit longer than that.
Okay.
But hopefully not too long. Hopefully we'll keep going soon. We've got aircon, we've got water, so you should be okay.
We'll be alright. I think we'll be alright. I'll let you know if it starts running. We've been going for about 40 minutes. The ocean. It's not great.
No, you can really feel it.
Oh.
But it's okay, we're focusing on something.
Yeah, I'm trying to focus on the horizon, but I've put the camera on the side and show you. It does move around a lot. The camera's going to pick that up, but yeah, she moves. Anyway, I think we're almost there. 10 more minutes, I reckon.
Yay!
There she is. Someone's house is like, you can't see it, but there's a house like just there. And that'd be cheap. part of the Amalfi coast is over there. Oh, beautiful. Glorious. Glorious. We sat here admiring the view so much we forgot to film. It's pretty awesome. Exploring.
Let's see what Capri has to offer. Looks really cool.
Yeah, it does. It's amazing. It was number 5 we got.
Number 5, yeah. Be one of those boats.
We'll work it out. We'll find it.
Got it back at 5:35, which we figure that'll be enough time.
It's 3.5 hours to look around.
Just to kind of see what we think of it.
Yeah.
And then we love it, we can come back and stay overnight.
Yeah, sounds good. Cool. Alright, let's find some cool stuff.
Let's do it.
We just got off our boat. That's our boat there. We just walked up this way. And it looks like we're heading up somewhere here. So we're going to walk that way.
Up the hill again.
Up hills. Capri Central. The sign said Capri Central. Do you want to head that way?
Yeah, definitely.
It's up there. Alright, let's do it. Oh, we decided to walk to town. It's a straight uphill. So we're getting our steps in today. It's a big hill. But we get pizza later.
We're getting a lot more than pizza.
There you go. So it's all worth it in the end if you think about it.
That's what they say.
That was serious steps. Serious steps.
That is up there. I reckon that's one of the top.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, we're in the center.
Oh wow.
Oh, let's do it.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Oh my goodness, let's look at the view.
Oh. That is awesome. That's our boat. You can see how far we walked.
It was worth
Oh, it was worth it.
the treachery.
Oh yeah, that was super worth it.
Oh, it's awesome. This is so cool.
Oh yeah, it's amazing.
I'm really liking it here.
Oh yeah, me too.
Ooh, I could see us staying overnight.
Oh yeah, do you want to get some water?
Yes.
Yeah, alright, we're going to get a drink of water. And then we'll do some exploring. This place is amazing. It's beautiful.
It's so hot.
But it's so hot.
Oh, it's just stunning.
Yeah.
The villas, the homes.
Oh.
Goodness. Just a beautiful little scenery. Look at all the beautiful trees. And then just keep going.
Oh, it's awesome. We walked around and was just struck with it and forgot to film. I thought, oh, better get the camera out.
Yeah. And I mean, there's a bit of shopping.
Yeah.
Depending on your budget.
Yeah.
Gucci.
Gucci. It's like Gucci, but for dogs.
No, it's not. Ignore that. Okay, I think we should get a bite to eat something.
Yeah, with some food.
Yes.
We had to sit down.
We need food.
We need food.
All walking.
Yeah. Where are we? La Cavenza di Venere. Pizza. Ooh, I think we'll just get a pizza to share. And some sparkling water.
I'm having a look at everything.
You check everything else out. Alright. Order some food. We're sharing a margarita pizza. And they cut it in half for us. Which is very sweet. Fella just made it over there.
Really nice
Basil leaves.
spicy.
Fresh basil.
They've got like a pepper taste.
Oh, nice.
Very nice.
Let's eat the hell out of this.
Fantastic.
Rest for a bit more. And then we can go back up. And then we can make our way to the beach.
Go down.
Down to the beach.
Go up.
Oh, we're going to go up, then down. Yeah. Alright. Eat it. That was good.
That was very good.
20
Happy with that?
24 euros, but $3 a head cover charge. Don't have to get that.
You expect that in places
You're gonna expect that like this.
The pizza was amazing.
Yeah.
So
Alright.
good.
Let's walk up to the centre. Let's do it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dinner all good for
All
you?
good. Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Sitting well?
Perfect.
Awesome. We made it to the beach.
Very, very busy. Everyone's here.
Yeah, this is our third European beach. So we went to the beach in San Sebastian, the beach in Barcelona, and here. And San Sebastian by
San
far
Sebastian
the
wins.
clear winner.
At this particular
Yeah,
time.
at this point, yes. But we'll give you a, yeah, this is what the beach looks like in Capri. Well, on this side of Capri.
Yeah, this side we can see.
It's a little rocky. Good thing we got our walking shoes on. But everyone's still having fun, having a swim. I think at this point we're going to call it. What do you reckon?
That is it. We are done. We're just going to wait
Oh.
for our boat to take us back.
About half an hour.
Be,
About half an hour.
shouldn't be too long.
Yeah.
We'll be on it.
So 91 euros for the boat return. 4 euros for the train to our to the port.
It's been a great day.
Yeah.
Definitely recommend.
Worth every cent. Absolutely come here. It's a different vibe, but very similar vibe to Santorini.
Yeah, but I think it's a little bit more relaxed.
Bit more relaxed.
Yeah.
But yeah, good spot, good vibe, and yeah, hopefully we're going to explore a whole ton more Italian beaches. Via Reggio.
Coming up.
Oh, Via Reggio very soon.
That's right.
Yeah. All right. So we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.